What are panpipes? Panpipes are a woodwind musical instrument with an unknown origin. It's believed that they may have originated in ancient Greece, potentially China, or even South America. This specific set is known as the Siku panpipes, and they were handcrafted in Peru. They're actually made from bamboo. Sometimes they can be made from wood or cane reeds, and even modern plastic varieties also exist. Each tube is tuned to a different note. You kind of put it under your bottom lip and you blow, kind of like you're blowing across a bottle. A lot of people did that as kids. Because it's made from natural bamboo, when the air goes across the pipe, it kind of creates like a piercing tone that travels down the pipe. And because they're handmade, each note will always sound different. Like even if I get another set of Siku panpipes, this specific note will have a slightly different tuning and tone because it would be impossible unless machine made to get the exact tuning. And that's what makes these instruments so unique. But different variations do exist. For example, with the Zampona panpipes, we have 2 rows of bamboo tubes. Antara's panpipes, we have much smaller tubes, which actually makes the tone higher pitched. The thicker the bamboo, the bassier. High pitched Antaras. Practically the same note, but with just a different thickness tube. If you want to try the virtual panpipes on our website, check out this video on screen now.